Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to change line height of editor inside your VS Code IDE. Line height is very simple. You go to the settings, user settings file, just Control Shift P inside your command palette, open your user setting file, and right here there is a property that you can control it, which is editor.line height. So currently I set this line height to be 2, but you can change this to, let's suppose, to 5. So now it increases it. So as you can see, it increases the line height to 5. Let's suppose I set it to 1. So line height typically is the distance between vertically, how much. So currently I set this to 2, which is more than enough, which in this easy way you can set the line height. Secondly, you can click the settings icon and also in the search bar simply type line height, and by you can input right here as well the value. In this easy way you can do this. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.